got the motor hanged up, guys. Hey, help me try to slide it out.
Welcome back, All American Motors. Today we bought a junkyard motor, and my brother hauled it home, and this is for the Mazda.
Back up. Let me operate the cherry picker. How are we gonna do this?
Hey guys, I'm here. I'm the video guy, so just so y'all know, I'm behind the camera all the time, but y'all don't get to see me.
Turn this around. You gotta turn it around.
We got a dangling wire there. What's that from?
From the oxygen sensor.
Oh,
Alright, what are we gonna set this in? Here, find an old tire.
This is what happens when he says, "Oh yeah, I'm gonna go Monday and grab an engine, dude."
I'm gonna
yeah,
come
after
home
work.
from work.
Yeah.
And get an engine. Let's do it.
And you see it's late at night, like it's dark.
Engine hose. Gonna position it into the corner in case we get any more engines.
Yeah, true.
Anything like that.
Yeah, or a truck in here, or whatever we need.
Grab some old tires.
I'll get some tires. Yep.
Turn the engine.
Oh, that sounds like compression, dude.
Let's start it up.
That's good compression, I think. You gonna try to turn it, like start it? You can't do that.
Yeah, it's hard to turn.
That's good. Awesome.
It's strong.
Oh, and also, well, it's rubbing right here though, from our
Nothing
strap and
is.
stuff.
Oh,
All right,
boy.
we're gonna set it down on this old scrap tire, just
So yeah,
mostly.
we got the engine. I'm probably ready for a good cleanup. I'm hopefully gonna power wash everything down. Clean it up, and disassemble what I need to. Take apart the parts that I need to. Get off all these old junker wires now. At least we'll have these wiring harness ends, you know. We'll have these good wiring harness ends. We just won't have the main wiring harnesses.
Right. We'll
It's
take it
fine.
from the other trip.
We'll do that. So like all these harnesses, we can just start to rip off of here.
Yeah, but yeah, we gotta go. Okay, I'll hold it just to like feel when it drops.
Steady it.
Yeah, I'll steady it. Okay, there it comes.
Set it down. Don't twist it.
I'm turning it just like that so it doesn't hit anything.
Some other tires.
Some other tires? No, you're not gonna totally set it down. No. I don't want it hitting stuff in the back, but that's okay. Yeah, keep going.
We might.
Set her down.
Totally set it down. Why not?
Okay, go ahead.
Can we?
Not a good idea. No.
Basically. It's basically set down.
Is it set down?
No, basically.
Let's see if we can set it down. Because it's going to be best. Just in case somebody else needs the cherry picker.
Well, we're going to need it to pull that engine out.
Oh, you're right. That's the somebody, probably. I'm going to go grab a block. I got a block, and he's going to set it underneath there. And just like that, we're going to set it completely down this time.
Are we? No, I don't know.
Basically.
I don't know what to.
We're basically going to set it completely down. Yeah, it's basically complete. It
It
is.
is down now.
Yeah. Just leave pressure on it. I don't want it falling, dude. Here, I'm going to tighten this up.
Fighting it falls.
And lift this part.
No, it's
So
fine.
it's tight.
It's fine.
A little bit tight. And then you see that cord? I just made it a little too tight. Alright. That'll hold it. And what are we gonna do?
We're gonna remove that sensor. Alright, I guess that's it for now.
Yep.
If you want to see more, comment down below.
And subscribe, like,
Subscribe for more.
and turn on that bell.
Or we got a first engine on the channel. All American Motors for a reason. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. Good night, wherever you are.